Hello friends, welcome back to Easy to Learn Tech and thank you for watching on my previous video. In this video we are going to see how we can remove the Daikin Inverter AC outer cover. Before removing the cover, first of all you have to put the power off for your system. As you can see, this is Daikin indoor unit. First of all you have to put the power off and then you have to start the process. You can see backside, these are the three locks, one, second one and third one. These are the top locks, and from the front side there are two fins you have to remove. These are the two air flaps which can adjust the airflow. This also you have to remove. While removing this you have to be very careful because these are delicate. First of all, open the top cover of your air conditioning unit, then you can remove the filter. As you can see, I am removing the filter. First of all, remove both the filter. After that, you can see I am removing the swing flap. This is the first one, and second one I am going to remove now. You have to handle this one smoothly because there is a chance to get break. That's why don't apply that much force. This is the first screw, second screw and third screw. These three screw you have to remove. Once you remove these three screw, then you have to remove the top lock of your outer cover of your Daikin air conditioning. Now your all three screw has been removed. Now you have to remove the electrical cover. As you can see, this is the electrical cover for the safety for the electrical side. You can see I have removed this one, and now you can see I am opening the lock from the back side, which is on the base of the indoor unit backside lock. As you can see, I have removed that one. Now you see the front cover and the filter and the swing, everything has been dismantled. Now our AC is ready to serve.